Namaskar. Today we will practice Surya Namaskar. You can practice with me. Stand on the edge of your mat. Join your palms together. Inhale and arch back. Come to Hastuttanasana. While exhaling, bend forward. Come to the Padahastasana. Now inhale and bring your right leg back. Come to Asvasanchalan. Look forward. Exhale. Come to the mountain pose. Now inhale and exhale. Put your knee down, chest down and chin down. Come to the Ashtanga Namaskara. From here just lie down. Bring your hand near to your chest. Inhale and come to the Cobra pose. Tuck your toes in. Exhale. Come back to the mountain. Now inhale. Again bring your right leg forward. Come to the Asvasanchalan. Exhale. Left leg forward. Inhale. Arch back. Exhale. Namaskara. We will practice with left leg also. Now inhale. Arch back. Exhale. Bend forward. Inhale. Bring your left leg back. Exhale. Right leg back. Inhale and exhale. Put your knee down, chest down and chin down. Slide forward. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, come back to the mountain. Inhale, bring your left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, up, arch back. Exhale, Namaskara.